Hello everyone. So how are you all? Hope you all are doing amazing and great. I am good too. So this is the day 19th of my 30-day English speaking series. And these days I'm not properly able to record myself and upload. And I think there isn't any big reason behind it. There is a simple reason that I have to face a lot of time. Like yeah, I have to think about any particular topic, and then I have to think a whole the day what should I record, what should I speak, and uploading also takes so much time. And if someday I don't have time, that I'm not able to uh, record and upload. So this was a simple reason. And you know before I had started a YouTube channel and uploading, so I thought that this is quite easy. And my biggest reason was starting a YouTube channel. It was that I have to improve my English speaking skill, and I have to see my progress. I have to record my progress and see, and I wanted to see my improvement. So okay, but when I started, then we, of course, we are a human being, so it's not quite easy to only chasing for, like I think about my improvement English. But I don't know, automatically we start chasing for views and subscribers, so it also makes us demotivated. But still I don't think much about views and subscribers. I just want to record for my English speaking practice. Okay, but still everyday recording. And if someday I have topic, then I easily record and upload. But if in some any day I don't have any topic, then it takes a lot of time. Like I think so much, then I record, then I upload, so it's get very harder. So that is the reason that I can't upload video each and every day. Okay, and if I'm not uploading regularly, it doesn't mean I don't practice for my English speaking skill. Yeah, I practice every day. But when it's time to come about take your phone and recording yourself, then you have to be more careful. I know I can record normally, randomly, whatever I am doing, but it's not like that. When I try to record myself, then I have to think and speak, like what should I speak or not. And I have to sit properly, I have to look like I should look properly. And y- you know what I mean. So there are lots of kinds of things that going on while recording. And but it times what I mean, it comes to practice for English speaking without taking my phone, then I practice easily, randomly. Like if I am cooking, then I try to explain and speak everything in English. I try to speak in English with my siblings. And even when I go for a home tuition, then I try to teach my students in English. I mean, I try to speak in English, that they can also learn something new every day, learn new sentences. And I can also improve myself. So these are the things. And uh, really, by on the time of recording, it's get a little hard. So that's why I am not able to record every day. And I don't know how some people record themselves every day and upload. It is getting very hard for me, but I am still uh, trying to do this. And let's see what happens. So that's it for today. Let's meet into the another video.